Hello students, okay, so I welcome you back. I hope you have had a short break, okay, so shall we start? Now students, while I'm explaining, I just want you to understand properly, okay, note down, अभी मत note down करना आप, क्योंकि I will send you the picture of the explanation. When you receive the picture, then you have to note all of this in the same way in your grammar copies. Okay students, तो आपने ये सारा जो notes मैंने लिखे हुए हैं, मैं आपको picture send करूँगी उसकी, आपने फिर ये सारे notes आपने अपनी grammar copy में उतार लेने हैं. Okay, so shall we start? Yes, so we are on video 2 and we are going to start with adjectives. Now what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe the noun. Words that describe the nouns are called adjectives. So जो word noun की quality या noun को describe करता है उसे हम adjectives कहते हैं. For example, the girl looks beautiful. यहाँ पे girl noun है and वो कैसी दिख रही है, वो beautiful दिख रही है. So that beautiful word is adjective. This chair is black. Noun क्या है? Chair. And chair कैसी है? वो black है. So that is the adjective. Okay. Now coming to kinds of adjective. Now kinds of adjective में we have adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. Okay. So these are the type of adjectives. Now let me take you to the detail of the adjectives one by one. So first is adjective of quality. So quality means किसी की अच्छाई. It describes the quality of a noun like color, size, texture, etc. Okay. So for example, a red car. कार कैसी है? रेड कलर की है. सो रेड हो जाता है क्वालिटी. अ टॉल मैन. मैन कैसा है? टॉल है. सो दैट इज द क्वालिटी. अ सिक लेडी. एक बीमार औरत. तो क्या है उसकी, अभी क्या है प्रॉब्लम उसको? शी इज सिक. ओके, सो दिस इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. इन दिस सेम वे you can talk about your qualities, your parents' qualities. Okay. Now next is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, it tells about the amount of a thing or a noun. For example, some rice, some money, any book. So ये होता है quantity. Means जिससे हम exact नहीं बता सकते, but yes, we can ask for something. For example, these days you're at home, okay, and you ask your mother to please give you milk or tea. तो आप बताते हो ना कि मम्मा नहीं, half a cup, just a bit of a tea, just less, little of a tea, or I just want, give me, yes, I would like to have few chapatis, I'm not so hungry, yes, I'll have some rice. So all that is quantity. And yes, if you are trying to, अगर आपका मैगी खाने का मन होता है, so you start impressing your mother. मम्मा आप तो आज बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, you look beautiful. So what is that? You are trying to tell her quality, that is beautiful. Okay, so see how you use adjectives in your daily routine. Now next is adjective of number, and it is also called numeral adjective. Okay, so this tells us the definite number, like first 1, 2, dozen, how much is there in dozen? Dozen always has 12. Okay, first, second, etc. इसमें indefinite number भी आता है, जैसे हमें जिसका exact नहीं पता होता. For example, few boys, no money, any person. Okay, इसी के अंदर distributive numeral भी आता है, like each, every. Distribute का मतलब होता है students कि बांट देना. In the same way, distributive adjective जो होता है, it distributes your noun. जैसे each, every, either, neither, or either or, neither nor. Okay. So these are, you just need to understand adjective of number. ठीक है, definite, indefinite, you just need to know the words, that's it. ये आपको लर्न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just understand. Okay, now next is fourth is very easy, that is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is very simple. Demonstrate करना means point out करना किसी चीज़ को. These adjectives point out to the correct noun like this, that, these, those. There are only 4 of them. That is this, that, these and those. For example, this is my book. Now, what is the noun over here? Noun हो गया हमारा book. So, किसकी book है? I mean, yes. क्या है? Yes, किसकी book है? ये कह रहा है कि this is my book. हम point out कर रहे हैं कि ये मेरी book है. Okay? Now coming on to interrogative. This is very simple. आप समझ सकते हो interrogative. Always when you look at the word interrogative, understand it always is, that means a question mark. So these adjectives are WH words. For example, WH words, when I say, that is where, what, when, why, whose, which, and yes, how is also there. It's not WH, but yes, इसमें है. So they ask questions to the noun. For example, where is the girl going? यहाँ पे noun क्या है? Girl. Okay. So लड़की कहाँ जा रही है? So it's asking the question to the noun. Where? Whose book is it? Book noun हो गया. So whose book? Okay. So this is interrogative. Now next is possessive adjectives. Possessive का मतलब होता है, possess करना means to own something. For example, you have your video games, you have your books. So books किसकी हैं? Video games किसकी हैं? It is your. So you possess that thing. Okay. So these adjectives tell about the belonging of the noun. For example, I must finish my work. अब यहाँ पे I है noun और किसने अपना काम खत्म करना है? मैंने. So that is called my is possessive adjective. Rahul is your best friend. राहुल किसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है? योर. सो योर हो गया आपका possessive adjective. Okay, so students, till here we have completed your kinds of adjective. Now there are few small things. I'll just take you to that. How adjectives are formed. Okay, so sometimes when you add nouns के साथ, जब आप suffix का मतलब होता है noun के पीछे. ओके, सो नाउन्स के साथ जब आप कुछ वर्ड्स लगा देते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल वाई, एल वाई, ए आर वाई, आर, ये सारे वर्ड्स लगाते हो, तो वो नाउन जो है वो एडजेक्टिव में टर्न आउट हो जाते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रीन कलर इज़ अ नाउन. सो ग्रीन को अगर हमने ISH लगा दिया तो वो एडजेक्टिव बन गया ग्रीनिश. चाइल्ड इज़ अ नाउन. चाइल्ड को हमने लाइक जोड़ दिया, सो चाइल्ड लाइक हो गया. चाइल्डिश भी हो सकता है. गोल्ड के साथ हमने EN लगा दिया तो वो गोल्डन बन गया. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ एडजेक्टिव्स आर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ नाउन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. यस, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स, इसको आप ध्यान से समझ लो. डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव का मतलब होता है एडजेक्टिव की 3 डिग्री होती है, पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव. पॉजिटिव इज लाइक सिंपल हम यूज़ करते हैं व्हेन यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डिस्क्राइब एनीवन. ठीक है, जैसे आप अपने, इफ़ आई आस्क यू अबाउट योर फ्रेंड, टेल मी अबाउट योर फ्रेंड. जैसे रहीम इज़ अ गुड बॉय, रहीम इज़ माई गुड फ्रेंड. रहीम, माई फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. सो इंटेलिजेंट, गुड, ये सारे आपके नॉर्मल एडजेक्टिव हो गए. लुधियाना इज़ अ स्मार्ट सिटी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ एक ही नाउन की बात कर रहे हैं. दोनों सेंटेंसेस में आपको एक ही नाउन नज़र आ रहा है, रहीम, लुधियाना. यस, बट कंपेयर का मतलब क्या होता है? कंपेयर का मतलब होता है व्हेन यू हैव 2 थिंग्स. आप 2 के बीच में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो, विच इज़ गुड, विच इज़ बेटर. सो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन 2 थिंग्स और 2 पीपल आर कंपेयर्ड. इन दिस, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, या तो हम ER लगा देंगे बिहाइंड योर एडजेक्टिव, और जैसे टॉल से मैंने टॉलर, ER लगा दिया. हेवी बिकम्स हेवियर, IER. और we add more before the adjective. For example, comfortable will become more comfortable. Harmful will become more harmful. Okay. Similar way, going to the last degree, that is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when we are trying to compare between more than two things at a time. Okay, so more than two things. So that means कि अगर हम मैं comparison कर रही हूँ comparing my friend with the whole class. So friend एक है मगर friend को मैं किसके साथ compare कर रही हूँ, class के साथ. That will become comparative degree. Similarly, इसमें हम लगाते हैं ER, इसमें हम use करेंगे EST is added after the adjective. So that is tall becomes tallest, EST. Heavy becomes heaviest, IEST. Okay? Yes. Or we also use most is used before adjective, like comfortable, most comfortable. Harmful, most harmful. Okay, students? So now, yes, there are few exercises which are there in your BBC. Okay, I'll show you the BBC worksheets which you are going to be. So the whole explanation which I have written, ये easy है. You have to copy. First is you have to copy all this explanation in your grammar copies. Okay. If you want to still read more in detail, so you can refer to your worksheet 230 on your BBC. And there are worksheets which you have to solve in your BBC only. Okay. In case if you don't have the BBC, that is all right. Don't worry. Because I'm going to be sending you the clicking the pictures and send you. So जो मैं pictures send करके भेजूंगी तो वो वाली आप अपनी grammar copies पे कर लेना. अगर आपके पास BBC नहीं है, BBC है तो अपनी BBC पे करो. If BBC is not available, then you can do the exercise. Just solve the exercise in your grammar copies. I'll just show you the worksheet. Okay, students? Yes, students. So I'm showing you your BBC worksheet. You can see this is worksheet page 225. ठीक है, इस पे आपने कुछ नहीं करना है. Now this is worksheet. Yes, I folded the worksheet. I'm going to send you the picture also. Okay, so don't worry if you don't yes get to see the exact thing. Yeah, so this is class worksheet page classwork assignment 42, and this is your worksheet that you have to do. For your convenience, I have solved two sentences of each exercise in the beginning, and then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, exercise करनी कैसी है. Okay, so this is the worksheet that is 227. Then going over to yes, the worksheet. Now I've explained to you about formation of adjectives. So this formation of adjective is there on page 228, and you can read all this. Please, yes, read these, especially these words. You know, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि how the adjectives are formed from the nouns. They have very good examples of this. So, and the next is on page 229. Again, this is the exercise that you have to solve. I have solved 2 to 3 for you. Okay, and this exercise as well. And then going over to the next worksheet. So there are 3 worksheets which you have to do. Now this worksheet has the degrees again, examples. That is worksheet 230. So you can go through, just read this. There are so many examples. उनको आप पढ़ लेना, ठीक है, एक बार. And then फिर again आपने ये वाली exercise करनी है. That is on page 231. Again I have solved one each for your, so that it's easy for you to understand. Okay, students. So I hope you don't face any difficulty. Yes, in case if you are not able to solve any, that is okay. You can just leave it blank. ठीक है, don't get panicked. In case आपसे नहीं कोई solve हो रहा है question, so just leave it. And then you have worksheet 233 also that you are going to be solving. And then the last worksheet is going to be yes, that is assignment 26. Okay. So this is the again assignment 26 of again 2 worksheets which you are going to be solving. Okay, students. So yes, you have 1 full week to complete your this exercise. So you have 1 full week to complete all these exercises. Try to solve it only on your BBC. In case BBC nahi hai, so you will be getting to see the pictures. So from your picture, write down the answers only in your grammar copies. Don't copy the questions. I repeat, questions copy mat karna. सिर्फ आप अपनी आंसर्स लिख लेना on your grammar copies. Okay, students? So that is the end of the session today. I hope you enjoyed the chapter, and I hope you understand the adjective part also. Yes, so we'll meet in the next session with another interesting chapter. Till then, all of you, do take out some routine from your daily routine and spend some time on your studies also. So that you can keep up with your daily routine. And also stay safe, all of you. Be healthy, okay? And stay indoors.